Testing, testing, testing. It's probably 15 seconds. So, it's about 15 seconds, I think. Now maybe 20 seconds. 25 seconds? Okay, so I think it's about 25 seconds behind. So, yeah, the stream lags about 25 seconds behind. That's useful to know. Okay, so I think it's enough getting set up. Let me mute my... I think that'll be my system sound, so my system sound can't be heard. Let's test that. Boom, boom. The reason for that is I don't want to have any copyright issues, so I want to try to keep this under 2 hours. That's right. Okay, and I want to keep I want to listen to music, but I want to keep it under. I won't upload to YouTube too. I just found out from my Battlefront streams that has to be under 2 hours to upload to YouTube. I could highlight it down, but I'll mess with that later. They're same forever, but let's just go on with it. Get my notebook here. While I do this, let me just put up this and remove the game setup part. So I have a netbook because I went on vacation, so I coded a little bit. There's a few lines on it, and I want to see what I did on this, because I just don't want to start with all of this, because I threw in all of this pretty much yesterday night, because I was like, hey, let me do that. No, I don't want to do it now. Ruby stuffs. It's game. Drop that onto the USB. That should be safe to remove. Put this in hibernate. Move that later. Cables are going everywhere. Although you couldn't hear that. Continue without scanning. This is going to be fun. Oh yeah, I wanted to listen to music. That was the whole reason never mind, I'm not going to listen to music. I'll turn my system sounds on. I'm not that cruel. UUIF. Where's the test game? Game network. Open with some. So this is what I was working on. Wait, what? Oh, tab size is supposed to be 2. Why are these, that's gonna throw me off. Doesn't make for the best code, but it works. So this is what I have. Tab refresh this, programming text game in Ruby, that is all correct. Yeah, it's a good thing I had all this, so. Yeah. Yes, save it. I'm just going to delete this and rename this. Let's see if the example comes. So this is what I'm looking at for referencing. And ideas. Because he just has this. There's quit. And like this is the code I'm looking at if I ever get stuck or if I need something to reference. Because it's about 549 lines. Since the only other thing I've made in Ruby is this, which is based off of the Code Academy's one, but this one's like you can save, you can sort, you can, I don't know, it's just a lot easier. It's the only other thing I've ever made. So let's see what we have here. So C for compass, general map. Look, use, inspect. I don't think I'll need to change the map at all. It should just stay the same. That's a lot right there. No, it's this end, I think. Oh god, my indentation sucks. Indentation. God, I can't even talk. One, two. This will work for now. So I was getting these set up and doing this all. So just all over the place. So if nets move inventory, I want to call the. I don't have an inventory. That would have been bad. I don't think I'll need them to hold a variable, but I'll just. I think it holds a variable. I don't know why. I guess. I don't know. I'll just do that for help. Your inventory contains. To put your inventory. How do I want to do this? With this, it's like the door leading to the unknown, and when you look at that, it'll change to leading to, etc., which I thought would be neat. I haven't really played any text games, so I don't know if that's common or not. You start in a wooden shack. While true, so this is going to be the loop. Next move, if next move. just to I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it, but it works for me. Oh, that's true. Cool. Not true. Yeah, that's true. If nets move inventory to call inventory. The downcase is my own design. I don't think he used downcase. Let's see if he did use downcase. Tets game. What am I looking at now? I've got the hashtag here. File save. Oh, here it is. That was what I was looking for, the link. So I do have the link to where I got the example code. And what was I looking for again? Fuse down. Gets.shop. No, he did not use downcase. So it's going to be an escape the shack type ones. Hopefully. So door, I have the fireplace, I have the table, I have the clock, and I have the trap door. So what I have to do, hashtag add variables to the looks. What if they want to look at just the door? What would that be? That would be inspect. So if they inspect, that is what's going to happen. Look is going to be looking around the room. You'll use an item on an item. Map will bring up the map. Inventory will view inventory, which these hopefully look, use, inspect. Inventory map. Let's reorder this. Hi, Melvin. Come on to my lap. So we have help, inventory, if. I've got an end here. That'd be bad. If nets move equals map next move equals gets dot jump dot downcase end. Do I need this? Yes, I do need this end. So this will be tab So I think this would be the proper indentation. Because usually the ends are stacked like this. So the first end is for the method, I think. I think this is a method. Can't remember. And then the second end is for the while. And the third end is ending this if statement, just like all the ones before it. Okay, I have to understand my own code. Let's see what runs. I can't use AS. I can't use that then. Pooey, I thought I could. I've never heard that before. I don't know if I haven't been paying attention or something, but I've never heard the beeping. Line 14, it looks like. There's a whole bunch of... Or is it 14? So it looks like this whole thing I cannot use. Okay. It's a shame. Why not just get rid of my whole compass? I don't need the compass then. It's kind of implied that up is north. Save it. What should I do about this? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. You hit that space. I was never good at art. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is rolling like crap. Oh my god, that actually works. That's actually pretty good. It starts at the door, clock, fireplace, table, trapdoor, so it's left to right, start from the top. It's normal reading, or at least English reading. So why is this pause there? Hardly prompted, so G to put an invalid command in there. So that would be else puts invalid cookie. I should probably like that for now. Oh wait, I already have it open. Oops, I was still looking. Nope, don't need this and this. It hurts how I have my server up, so I have the other command console window. I'm sure there's a way to change that. I'm just a little lazy. So help will command should be straightforward and simple. So just have a little bit cleaner look. Save it. Let's try to put that here for now. Put this right here. I actually like this better. Okay, where's this one? Is it out or did I minimize? I think I minimized it. Whatever was there. Don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need this. And this is all I need on this screen. Perfect. Okay, I see you, Mal. Okay, what happened here? Wow. Oh, I haven't. Oh yeah, the only thing I put is help inventory map. So inventory. Derp. Wish I want it more streamlined. I don't think I could have done case. Does he ever use cases? Case statements? No, he doesn't use the case statements. Okay. He just uses while true, if, else, if. I don't quite know the terms of the else, if. I know else if none of them are true. So Ruby else if else if command, if unless else if and elf. I can't talk today. Darker than black. Finished it. I rewatched Darker Than Black. I'm rewatching it, I should say. I watched it back in school. Conditional statements used to manage a program's control flow. Statements be paired with an if or unless block contains a Boolean expression. It creates certain code only if the previous conditional statements do not run and the Boolean expression evaluates to true. It's equivalent to writing an else statement that it has an if statement in its block. I did think second season's ending was better. First season ending was bleh. Yeah, it's an else, so. It was all over the. I'm not understanding the else if. Oh, I see. they're using the ifs for the normal, like help, inventory, and quit. Oh wait. So if this is true, and next move is look, that also is if the if. Oh, but the if is the opposite because the exclamation mark reverts it. So if secret door is not open and next move is look, yeah, secret door has been revealed. I don't get the point of the if and else if quite yet. I'll have to use this idea. Next move if it includes the word outline. So like look outline, I think. Okay. The more you know. It's the more you know type things. It's like that rainbow. Rainbows. Maybe I'm looking at this the wrong way. Okay, I think I'm looking at this the wrong way. With the if and else if. Let me see. That was Code Academy. Let me see if I can find it somewhere else. Unless that's the case. This is if, else. There's no else if. Oh, else if. So generally, else ifs contain two parameters, I'd say. So both have to output to true, I think, for it to. Oh, I think I'm getting this now. Maybe. So if no test.bat be test.rb open with Sublime. Let me put the run in front of it. This is game. Copy this. Edit this. Paste this into here. 2, 3 tests. Test. Save it. Exit. I was going to test this. So x equals 1. If x is less than 2, no, if x is greater than 2, else if. I don't know how I was going to test this actually, never mind. I don't need that. So essentially, this one does not run, and then this one will run. I don't see why this couldn't be an if. I think that's what's killing me. Or it's what's confusing me. Let's move on to somewhere else. So if key is present, if key is not present, puts you are in a small round room. Key present, false. Probably doesn't help. I'm just running through the middle of the code without actually following how it moves, but let's try this one. Next move is look. Mel, you're so cute. You're on my feet. Okay, let's ignore that for now. I'm getting too caught up in that. I have a prompt, an inventory, a map, a help, a look. I'm putting ends on the end of these, I think. Because every if has to have an end, right? So if and if. Oh! Okay, this may be. The else ifs are contained within the if. So if, there is no end here, right? So else if, else if, else if. So if, else, I don't understand you. Let's see, yeah, look, put. Okay, no, there's no. So this ends that, so this will contain all of this. Dang it, I'm getting too caught up again. I need to stop. So I need an exit. Exit. That would be process.exit, I believe, and end. And so now if we call this when it's if next move equals exit, we want to call exit, and we shouldn't need anything. Let's see what error pops up. 74. Did I forget to end something? 78. Exit. If, else, end. And it's. Maybe it has something with what the else ifs are. Mazes me every time. Look, undefined door status. door status equals should be empty. Can you not put an empty variable? Alright, let's ignore the look. Try help. So, no inventory, we'll call an air map. Where's the start? Torch room. I'll leave prompts after all of this. What's the prompt again? Prompt should be all the way up here. Okay, it puts the enter command thing. That is what I'm forgetting. That is why it looked so odd. I forgot the prompt. The prompt. I'm gonna prompt here. Prompt. Not long. Throw an arrow when it starts? No. You start in a wooden shack. Good. I have help, which works pretty well. I have map, which also works. So the exit works. Yes. So now the inventory. Your inventory contains that words. It's just the look I'm having a problem with. Game 48. So it should be the door leads. I thought I could just put a space. I guess it's not containing anything. Experimenting. Huh. Door status. Oh, I know what I forgot. Derp. I forgot to make it, I think it's, forgot what it's called, like global or something. Because the variables in, like this one will only interact within the start here. And so if you call it, like, in help or whatever, it won't do anything, but if you do the at in front of it, it makes it, I think, global? Can't remember. You start, so look should work now. Yes. So I do not want the extra space here, so what happens when I do this? So throw in the air. Lock. Look. So it does not throw an error. And if I were to put a locked, it's probably going to be locked and unlocked. a lot, so I'll just have to put a space here. And it should work perfectly. Good. So that works. Let's put a where's the so this would be like hashtag locked / unlocked. This will be like burning, not burning. Oh no. Plot status would be say broken, not broken, no fixed. And so you haven't inspected it. So hashtag put inspect etc. So I need to put on the inspecting Mel. Yes, I see you. Congratulations. So this is going to be at clock status. Let's keep these similar. So the door status. I already have a plot status, my bad. I already didn't notice I put it. So plot status was going to be the first ones. Percent plot status. Can't forget this. Nope. Not a money sign, it's percent. Derpy derp. Save. So this is going to be plot status A. So how am I going to do the table status? A. Hashtag trapdoor will lead to cellar. So at least we'll have another room to work with. Map. I should have thought of this before. So I'll put map shack. So this will be in the map for the shack. A map. Shack map. So that should work if I do map good. So it throws, oh, I know. just start this program tonight. I started it actually July 23rd. Properties. Yeah, it is July 23rd. When did I do my movie thing? So 16th. Okay. So I started with Ruby about the 16th and just a little here and there with everything until it got to this point. So at trapdoor status percent trapdoor status. So that'll either be locked, unlocked, and then later on it'll be open/closed. For reasons, I think. Now it'll just be unlocked or locked. This will be when inspected equals outside. Oh. But the whole inspect thing works perfectly. But if I do look again, it'll throw the invalid cookie. Because it does not understand the command. I don't think I should have that there then. Now that puts I don't understand you, as I work for that one too. Wow, I have tons of things open. Let's put these down here. This one's there's what you do. Look. So why does that work and mine doesn't? I am in the torch room. Look displays this. Put help. Okay, so no, theirs does the same thing. I don't understand you. But to fix that, couldn't I just get rid of this? And so it doesn't pause there, it goes all the way through and back onto the top. So there should be look. It's the same with inventory. See, it goes to inventory, pauses. So if I were to do inventory, it'll do that, and I do help, it do I don't understand you. So it's reset itself. So when I go inventory, pauses there. it goes down to here. Doesn't go back up there. Okay, this is making a little more sense. The Elsifs aren't, but also do God mode. Looks like you didn't implement God mode. Okay. Oh, I bet it was to help debug. As if you do God mode, it could call you, like, rename Vine Room God mode or something, and it'll just go to there maybe, help you debug or something. I don't know. It's going over my head. Whistling? Horrible with pronunciation. More messages. People don't stick around long. How do you spell seller? Yeah, it's AR, not ER. Seller. Map seller. Was not implemented yet. And so maps are not implemented yet. I will come back to this. Prompts of all of this. Prompt inventory. Let's inventory exit map shack. Help look. Earl in there. So that means I need to inspect and do the trapdoor. What else do I need to do about this? Okay. L puts L pile of logs. Those will be used for something, probably the fireplace. It'll just spontaneously combust when you throw them in. Puts a pile of wooden logs is in the southeast corner of the room. Just a basic test escape game. Yes. Don't need this up. It's not needed. Grandfather clock is in the northeast corner of the room. How should I do this? Do I want to use the inspects with like an if, or do I want to? Both. I say like, hey, that's one of my spontaneous ideas. Hey, I'm gonna learn Ruby. Because I've been meaning to learn a programming language for a while, and I just never got around to it until a little few weeks ago. I've just done little things from then. Like this is one of them. 2. Let me just not quite sure how I want to do this. Control save. Looking around the room, use an item on an item. Put inspect. That'll take a closer look. The inspect will change these variables. And looked at an item or something around the room. Don't use pick up or take. Puts pick up. Puts as normal. Streams lag. I don't know how long. Like Streamlabs at least 25 seconds behind. I usually find they lag at least 25 seconds behind. They can lag longer, like up to a minute, I think. It all depends. Door. Also, train of thought. I was doing something with the door. I know that much. Do I have any drink left? Yeah, I do. You're starting a wooden shack. I don't want to do the inspect. I was doing with the pick up tape thing. That's what I was doing. Like pick up or take. Do I want to use pick up an item or do I want to take an item? Let's do take. It's more ambiguous. Like pick up, you're implying you pick up something, but you take, you just take it. Yeah. I always have the stream muted. I haven't done any streams with people in Skype calls or anything yet. I don't know, I just haven't Skype called anyone recently. But who knows? Maybe eventually I'll find some. I'll be in a Skype call when I stream, but who knows? I don't know yet. Take. So inventories. Let me make a list. I should have done this a while ago. So list commands finished. Inventory. I have done map for the shack. Done map for the shack. Exit. Look needs work. Needs work. Look. Use. Inspect. Take. To do. See after. Even when I try to organize stuff, it's not organized. So I'm trying to organize stuff within the code using the comments, and it's just, messy. I don't know how to do this. Oh, I forgot to do this. I'm not gonna upload to GitHub yet, although I could upload to GitHub. It's a good idea. You have a window behind this. Okay. Ruby else if. Okay, that was what I was doing earlier. Build cookie. Should actually upload more of this stuff to GitHub. Big idea. But it's actually probably easier to do all the comments in there so I know what I'm doing, but I'm losing my mind slowly. Yeah, there's 4 people. Oh, it's just 1? Oh. Right. I don't know, the viewers thing is always behind too. Oh, it does link to GitHub. I didn't realize you could create links in the Twitch chat. Or is it just readme.md links to something? Is this music stuff? Yeah, music will bring for the best music searching for any recommended music tools on the web. Open source Python Lightning for the Acronis API. That's neat. It's Python though. Although Python and Ruby are similar, I believe. The EchoNet. That reminds me of Borderlands. And I think it's called the Backroll Net on Borderlands. Not sure though. What else? Still not quite sure how to continue. Pile of wooden laws is in the south. Yeah, that should be a good idea. That could make it so people couldn't just do the same thing over and over again. They'd have a time limit. But you have to put laws in the fireplace every so often, or something bad will happen. Put laws in fireplace every so often, or bad things happen. Which, I don't know yet, but I don't even know how to implement that. I'll probably just do that later. Okay, put laws in fireplace where bad things happen. Trapdoor status. So we're going to do, you look, glitch around, inspect an item. I need almost another look type command. Like, look will look at the area, inspect something. I'm seeing a micro one, but that's too many. Video and audio is so hot. I don't know what you mean by that. It's so hot. Let me see if this actually works though. Enter command help. No, it just defaults to the invalid cookie. Defaults to invalid cookie. Ooh, Code Wars. Thank you, Jerkaf. I don't know. I'll have to look at that. We're just improving it through little idea projects I've had, so I'll look at that later when I get the chance. I want to try to finish up as much of this as I can before I have to eat. Jerk. How did I do it with this? Oh, I used a case. I don't want to use a case statement. That's just wins. Win status. Win-win. So it didn't do any of those. It went to else. Did it throw the same error though? I don't think it threw the same error. If it did, add back. Oh no, I know I didn't do that. Oops. something completely different, but invalid cookie. How do I want to do it? Map, inventory, exit. Getting a little overrun. I'll just do what I normally do and just throw something in here. I'll need a, in here, right? Yeah. If, so I'll need a else if, I think, here. Else if condition. I didn't know that did that. What I do? How that condition pop up? Oh, I do a tab here. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that happened. So if we do like while tab, it'll do while condition. Okay, that's neat. And oh! So if I do a tab here, no, it doesn't work that way. Else if inspect. I feel like this is gonna be all over the place. If else if not if else if. So these are multiple. Okay, no, this is something completely different now. It says if this equals this, and if this is and. So and I don't know if you can do that with an if. Okay, where's somewhere to look into here? What if I else if? Oh, else if thing is confusing me. This will be next move. Underscore needed. If next move equals, let's start with inspect. Door puts the door is a sturdy wooden door. The door looks to be. Oh, Oh, it doesn't work. The door is locked. So then we will change at door status equals space locked and put the door appears to lead. You look through the small peek hole in the door. It appears to lead into a forest. The semicolon puts. I think semicolons will work like this. With puts, I'm not sure. He did it with the inventory prompt next move gets chomp, so I think it should work the same with any other command. So it should just be able to put in the same line. Put you can't see anything else. You can't see anything else. And we will at door leads a forest. So now let's see what error it throws up. Okay, a bunch of errors. Let's just do if instead of else. Oh, did I put else? Oh yeah, I did it wrong, right? ELS. Let's just do it if and see if that works. It's I forgot an end, I believe. Right? I don't know what it's doing. Thank you. I'll need it. Have fun. It's throwing an error right here. Oh, it probably does have a capital, maybe? No, that shouldn't matter. It's in the parentheses. The door is locked. Aaron changes door status to. Oh, I've forgotten equals here. That might have been part of it. Unexpected keyword else, expecting end. Can I not have a else with an end? The else ifs don't need an end. Let's know these are in the same thing. Torch room puts I don't understand you. Else is at like an else, so they don't. It's so confusing. hate these else's and everything. Oh, it works now. Booyah! Booyah! It works. Oh. Oh. Okay. That's enough for right now. I'm gonna have to go eat. Make some mac and cheese. Who doesn't like mac and cheese? So if I type exit, we'll exit. Okay, so we'll exit. So we'll just see how it goes from now on. But take it easy, friendlies. No, wait, that's not good. I actually don't know how to end this. Should I just like, I don't need this. To do, yeah, I'll just end it.